Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308. So this has 17-inch alloy wheels as well as this panoramic glass roof. Inside you've got the touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get connected 3D navigation. But some of the other features of this car include front and rear parking sensors, dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.